This is an instructional video about theoretical probability, and our essential question is, what are the fractional parts of probability? So first thing is probability is the chance of something happening. Usually we see it as a fraction. And it's between 0 and 1, because fractions are usually between 0 and 1. Now there's theoretical probability. Now, theoretical is what you think will happen. So nothing has happened yet. You're just thinking about what is the possible chance of something happening. So typically, the way that we see this is in the top is the number of what I want, and in the bottom is the size of sample space. So for example, find the theoretical probability of rolling a number greater than 4 on a number cube. So the method that I tend to take with this is the first thing I do is I find my sample space. Numbers on a number cube are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So my size, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 items. Now what I want are numbers greater than 4. Let's take a look at your list. What numbers are greater than 4? I see 5, I see 6. The number of what you want. There's 2 things there. So your probability is 2/6. And there you go.